Today marks 51 years since the landmark Supreme Court case, Roe v. Wade, that legalized abortion nationwide. This weekend, hundreds here in Arizona attend a rally to voice their opinions on both sides. Our Maria Staubs attended the Bigger Than Roe National March.
When the Supreme Court returned abortion regulating power to the states, Arizona had two laws on the books. One outlaws abortions after 15 weeks, and the other, which dates back to 1864, bans abortions in almost all cases. The two laws are still being debated in court, and here in Arizona, both sides of the abortion debate are taking action ahead of the election. Hundreds of abortion rights activists chanting towards the Capitol.
I marched in the 70s to get Roe passed, and I cannot believe we're back to this again.
The march reminding some women of their experiences more than 50 years ago.
Having to have a baby when I wasn't ready for that changed the trajectory of my entire life. And I have to say that even though my kid is fantastic and I love him dearly, I'm still pissed off about it after all of these years.
Arizona bans abortions after 15 weeks, and now one group is hoping to put a proposed constitutional amendment on the ballot.
Weeks of pregnancy are really a thought about making sure everybody is included in that process and able to access abortion when they need it, how they need it, and why is not a part of this discussion any longer.
The campaign is collecting signatures for the Arizona Abortion Access Act. If it's on the ballot, voters can choose to make abortion care legal up until a fetus can survive outside of the womb. It would also allow later abortions to save the mother's life or to protect her physical or mental health.
I'm out here trying to rally women to vote, 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 vote.
Arizona for Abortion Access needs more than 380,000 signatures by July in order to qualify for the November ballot. And while they're at their halfway goal and still gaining support, they are now facing an organized opposition.
This amendment eliminates the requirement that girls and women see a qualified medical doctor to get an abortion, and that is what is unsafe.
The It Goes Too Far campaign is showing concerns about the language used in the amendment, with terms like healthcare provider instead of physician.
It is crazy that they are going to be writing language so broad in order to do that.
Advocates for the ballot initiative say the change in language is intentional and allows nurse practitioners to provide services. If the campaign gets enough signatures, the issue will likely be decided in November. Since Roe v. Wade was overturned, abortion has been on the ballot in 7 states. According to NBC, anti-abortion groups have lost every time. In the newsroom, Maria Staubs, Cronkite News.